Gentlemen, can I ask you something straight? How often does your partner actually reach orgasm during vaginal sex? If your answer is rarely or not enough, don't worry, you're not alone. I'm Dr. Narita, a urologist and men's health specialist with 12 years of experience helping men over 40, 50, and beyond reclaim sexual confidence, stamina, and intimacy. Before we dive in, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. I want to know where you're watching from. I love seeing your responses. It makes this conversation feel real. Here's the truth. Most men don't realize that most women don't orgasm from penetration alone, and it's not a flaw in her or in you. It's biology. Research consistently shows that clitoral blood flow is the strongest predictor of female orgasm during vaginal intercourse. The more blood flowing to her clitoris, the higher her arousal and the more likely she is to climax. So if she isn't climaxing consistently, it's not a performance issue. It's about understanding anatomy, positioning, and techniques that actually work. Many men think they need to go harder, faster, deeper, but real science shows the opposite. Subtle adjustments and controlled movements are far more effective. Over the past 12 years, I've worked with men struggling with desire mismatches, performance anxiety, and low partner satisfaction. I've seen firsthand how small, targeted, evidence-backed changes like pelvic angling, positioning, or rhythm adjustments can completely transform intimacy. And today, I'm going to share 4 secret science-backed sex positions that dramatically increase the likelihood of female orgasm, plus techniques you can apply in almost any position to enhance pleasure. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what works, why it works biologically, and how to apply it practically in the bedroom. Quick note, these are not gimmicks or tricks. They're biologically grounded, emotionally supportive, and practically simple to implement. Let's start with position 1, woman on top, face to face. Why does this work? Biology. When she's on top, she controls angle, depth, and rhythm. Ultrasound studies show this position dramatically increases clitoral blood flow on both sides, maximizing arousal. That's the key. Blood flow equals arousal equals orgasm probability. Emotionally, she feels in control and empowered. Confidence is a huge part of female arousal. When a woman feels confident and safe exploring her own pleasure, it amplifies responsiveness and intimacy. Practical tip: encourage her to experiment with tilts, rocking motions, and hand placements. Every woman's body is unique. The fun is discovering together what feels best. Imagine if one small change could turn a routine session into a mind-blowing experience for her. This position is often the gateway for that. Small variations like slight pelvis tilts or adjusting hip placement can make a huge difference. And remember, it's not about thrusting harder, it's about precision and connection. Even just one session exploring this position with full attention can reset the sexual dynamic in your relationship. Position number 2, man on top with pillow under hips. Position 2 might surprise you because it's simple but incredibly effective. Man on top, face to face with a pillow under her hips. Biology behind it: tilting the pelvis directs more movement and pressure toward the clitoris. This small shift creates significant clitoral stimulation, which research shows can dramatically increase orgasm likelihood. Emotionally, this position is about closeness and connection. Eye contact, touch, and synchronized movement make her feel seen, adored, and fully engaged. That emotional connection is just as important as the physical. Stimulation. Practical tip: one pillow under her hips can make all the difference. Subtle tweaks like this often yield the biggest improvements in pleasure. You might think pillow placement is minor, but the difference in blood flow and therefore orgasm potential is huge. Remember, intimacy isn't about perfect positions or superhero stamina. It's about finding small adjustments that maximize impact. Position number 3, goal alignment technique or cat position. Now, let's get to a game changer for women who have struggled to orgasm from penetration alone. This is a variation on missionary. Instead of just thrusting, both partners rock their pelvises together, pressing the base of the penis against her clitoris. Biologically, this provides continuous targeted clitoral stimulation, which is exactly what research shows triggers orgasm in women who rarely climax from penetration. Emotionally, she feels adored, fully connected, intensely aroused. There's a magic in synchronizing motion and intention. It boosts trust and desire simultaneously. Practical tip: focus on sliding, rocking, and pacing, not thrusting. Communication is key here. Ask her what feels right in the moment and adjust accordingly. This technique alone has helped countless couples break the cycle of frustration and experience her first reliable orgasms from penetration. Even seasoned men sometimes underestimate the power of rhythm, pressure, and alignment over sheer force. Position 4, sitting face to face. Biology. While not as intense as positions 1 or 3, this posture still provides clitoral stimulation via pressure and closeness, combined with eye contact, touch, and emotional bonding. Emotionally, this is about novelty, connection, and intimacy. It's a great position for variety, for emotional closeness, and for when you want to build trust and comfort in the bedroom. Practical tip: you can angle her pelvis, add a pillow, or combine. Gentle clitoral stimulation for maximum effect. Small tweaks equal big results. Even if the physical stimulation is moderate, the emotional connection can amplify orgasmic potential, sometimes more than pure mechanics. Remember, the secret isn't just positions. It's small, intentional adjustments. Rocking instead of thrusting, pairing penetration with manual or toy stimulation, and communicating every step of the way. Gentlemen, let's wrap this up with practical steps. Pick one position this week. Try it intentionally without distraction. Experiment with one technique: tilt, pillow, or rocking motion. Communicate in real time. Ask her what feels good. Watch her responses. Adjust. Biologically, these changes maximize clitoral blood flow, increase arousal, and create orgasms. Emotionally, they build connection, trust, and mutual satisfaction. Practically, you'll see improved intimacy, confidence, and sexual enjoyment in everyday life. Don't forget, your own performance, circulation, stamina, and confidence matter too. Simple, safe, science-backed options like nitric oxide boosters, herbs such as horny goat, tonat ali, fenugreek, and nettle root support vascular health, testosterone, libido, and stamina. Every woman's body is different. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. The key is presence, experimentation, and communication. Sex isn't a performance. It's play, connection, and discovery. Small adjustments, tilting a pillow, rocking, shallow penetration, or gentle clitoral stimulation can completely transform intimacy. And pleasure isn't just her orgasm. It's emotional closeness, trust, and mutual satisfaction. Your action step for this week: pick one position and one technique. Focus on presence, feedback, and exploration, and enjoy the process together. Comment below which position or technique you'll try first. I read every single comment. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. For more evidence-based guidance on men's health, intimacy, and sexual performance. Remember, age is not the end of desire, passion, or pleasure. Thoughtful, consistent practice restores connection, intensity, and confidence. I'm Dr. Narita, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. You deserve this.